Hello, good morning everyone. Ayan, nandito tayo sa ating garden. Hello Momo, how are you? Inay, kami Momo, kami. Ayan, ang aking mga alaga. Wow, binisita ko ang ating itinanim natin to last week. Ayan, mapapansin nyo, ito ay napulot namin. So, tinaniman namin siya. Dito sa Australia, pag may mga gamit na hindi na kailangan, ilalagay dyan sa nature strip, and then pag kailangan, pinupulot. Like me, pinulot ko. So, ayan. Ayan, namumulaklak na. Ito guys, hindi ko na siya pinapatuloy minsan kasi nag-create lang to ng insect, ng mga bad element, mga insect ba. So ayan, hindi pa ako totally expert sa ating pag ng succulent, pero I try my best, you know. Ayan, ang gaganda, grabe. Ililipat ko to siya guys kasi na ito ay dapat lalaki pa. Lilipat ko sila sa malaking pot. Mayroon na akong pots doon. Baka tomorrow, pag kami ni husband hindi gumala, ayan, alisin natin ang mga flower guys. Kasi itong flower, indication lang na lumalaki na sila. Pero usually, ang ko dito, itong mga rosets nila. Kasi as you can see, maganda naman na sila kahit walang flower. So, pero itong flower, makakapag-propagate din kayo dyan kung malalaki ang dahon. At ito, ayan, panglipat na rin. Ang ganda. Ayan, ang ganda. Tignan nyo ang ionium ko. Ito ionium to eh. Oh. This one ionium. This one ionium. Yes. Ayan. Growing season na ngayon ng ionium. Kaya ito itatanim natin para magkaroon ng bagong ganito. So, ayan. Ayan ang aking garden guys. After 4 days work. Kasi ang trabaho ko, I work as a in the packaging factory worker. So, it's a bit hard. But I used to it anyway. So, sanayan lang sa trabaho guys. Dahil lahat naman ay napapag-aralan. Ayan. At kahapon na aksidente ang kamay ko. Nagunting, na grab ko ang gunting, pero kunti lang siya guys. Maliit lang. At salamat naman sa aking madam at kanyang nilinisan at nilagyan ng bandage. Ay, ayan na oh, ang update ng ating orchids. Ayan, update natin. At ito guys, tignan nyo naman, ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda niya. At ang ating monkey tail. Hello monkey, how are you? Tumaba siya lalo. Kasi nilagyan ko siya ng abono. Ito guys, pag hinihipo nyo, pag ganun lang, pababa, hindi pa salungat dahil may kunting talas. Pero maliliit lang ang kanyang balahibo. Ayan. Natutuwa siya pag hinihipo ko. Natutuwa yan. Ang mga halaman, kailangan kinakausap din. You need to talk them because they have instinct. You know? They have a story in olden days that one old lady, they say, she is single and she got a very, very beautiful roses garden. Now, when she's old, she get old, and as a single, she's very worried because this is only fairy tale stories, okay? I have no proof or what. I just read it in a book. When the single old lady, very old, she thinking her garden, she said by herself, she she took herself that she said, she took the Perry. She said, Perry, can you give me a chance because to live, to stay alive, because who the one look after my garden? Her garden rose is very beautiful. And then one Perry come out and stick the wand to her. She said, the Perry says, okay, since you have a very beautiful garden, you look after the nature, you look after the environment, because of your flower, we have many bees, and the bees produce a very healthy honey. So I give you a chance forever. And you know, the old lady is stay alive forever. So she keep going to put the very beautiful garden roses, because she promised to the fairy that she give a beautiful garden. So she always produce healthy honey. That is only a storybook, okay? I have no proof. So, but you know, as a gardener like this, I see myself as a in the storybook. Tignan nyo naman ito. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at that. This is my lilac mound. Wow, so beautiful. I transfer her. It's Heidi later. I transfer in that side. Wow, she grow again. Look at this. I thought it's die already. Yeah, it's her. She come back. And look at this. Because got frost this morning. Look at that. Oh, my fire stick. I transfer it there in the big pot. Oh, my cotyledon. Look at that. It's big now. And this one, my Hoya. It's grow already. I transfer it in the pot like that. So yeah, that's the story only. I have no proof about the gardener old lady. Yes, wow, they have flower already. And look at this. My angel of thirst variegated. It's beautiful. She got stunning again. Anyway guys, hanggang dito na lang muna. At tayo ay magpapatuloy sa ating paglilinis. Bye-bye!